This drawing nearly drove me insane. Hi, Jeffrey here. In case you don't know, the drawing I'm talking about is the drawing I did of the building Milan Cathedral. This drawing is my longest drawing I've ever completed, and took me over 400 hours. This might be fitting because the building itself is the longest continuous cathedral construction project and took 579 years. Now, some backstory when it comes to this drawing. I actually first learned about this building when I was in high school. I believe when I was taking AP Art History class, I learned about it when I learned about European architecture. And later in my senior year of high school, I took AP Studio Art. At that time, I made this drawing you see now of the building. I knew at that time that drawing the building to the level of detail that I wanted would take way too long, probably more than the entire school year. So I made this quick drawing then, and kind of left it at that. Fast forward to now, after I graduated college and have been working for a few years, I felt now was the time to revisit and complete this drawing the way that I originally intended to, over 10 years ago. However, I ran into many hurdles as I was drawing it. Some of these include not getting my eyes lost while looking at my reference image and trying to draw from it. This area is one of many examples in which I literally draw the pixels, each pixel, and each transition of color of pixels. This is about how far I zoom in my reference image when I'm drawing portions like this. Here's one example, zooming in and showing me drawing each element. For example, I draw this element that I have circled in the reference image on the left, I have drawn in my drawing on the right. Here's another side-by-side comparison, with the reference image I used on the left and my drawing on the right. As you can see, I have drawn every single statue on the door as well as around it. There were times where I quite literally felt like giving up and stopping, due to the sheer complexity and not being able to follow sometimes with my eyes. At these points I felt I might be insane, but I ultimately managed to push through. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me and my art. I hope you found this video gives you some insight into my journey. If you enjoy the content that I make, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you and have a great day.